Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study the new another family from the paper of diversity of angiosperms 2. Today we are going to see the another family, that is family Amaranthaceae. Amaranthaceae is the family, or we can say plants belongs to this family. They are mostly herbs. Few are shrubs. Leaves are exstipulate, that is without stipule, and simple, opposite or alternate. Again, they are hairy. Flowers are small and usually with bracts and bracteoles. Flowers, they are actinomorphic, arranged in spike or racemes. Perianth 2 to 5, uniseriate, green or colored, free or united. Stamens 3 to 5, free, dithecous, antiphylous. Gynoecium bi or tricarpillary, unilocular with a single basal ovule, and fruit one seeded, that is called nutlet. So these are the common characters of family Amaranthaceae. You can see the diagram in this slide, that how the fruit they are arranged, or you can see that is inflorescence actually. Spike like inflorescence is there, and plants are mostly herbaceous. uh, so first of all, we will see the vegetative characters of the family Amaranthaceae. Amaranthus is the one of the most important family from the angiosperms. It is highly economically important family. The plants belongs to this family. They are highly nutritious, so that they are very much important plants. They are which comes under the family Amaranthaceae. First of all, we will see the vegetative characters. Habit of the plant. Plant, they are mostly herbs, rarely shrubs or undershrubs. Annual or perennial. Again, root. How what type of roots are there? A branch taproot system is present in this type of plants. Again, stem. Stem is aerial, herbaceous or woody, erect or straggling, cylindrical or angular, branched, solid, hairy, green or stripped green. Leaves, they are simple, alternate or opposite phyllotaxy they have. Petiolate, that means that they have stalk. Exstipulate, that means without stipule leaves are there. Reddish in color, unicostate, reticulate venation. So these are some vegetative characters of the plant. Now floral characters. Inflorescence, what type of inflorescence is there in this family? Axillary or terminal spikes, that is acheranthus is the example. In Marathi we called it as aghada. Digeria, sometimes in cymose panicles. So the inflorescence may be terminal spikes or cymose panicle. Again, flower, they are bracteate, sessile or subsessile, means flower they may have presence of pedicel or absence. Pedicel means that is stalk of flower. Some flowers, they are with stalk, they are called petiolate flower, pedicellate flower, and without pedicel they are sessile flower. Bracteolate, bracteoles, they are two in number. Flowers, they are actinomorphic, that means they have radial symmetry. Hermaphrodite or unisexual, only male or female flower they present on each plant. Hypogynous flower is there. Again, small inconspicuous green or variously colored flowers are there. Mostly in case of Amaranthaceae family, flowers, they are very minute in size or small in size. Okay, so they are present in group, cluster. Okay, in Amaranthus genus we can see, or in Marathi we call plant, that vegetable, that is called tanduja, in which you can see the inflorescence of the plant, that is flowers are present in cluster. Or example, rajgira. If you have seen the plant of rajgira, you can see, you can imagine the type of inflorescence. Perianth, usually 5 tepals, free or united, sometimes 2 or 3, dry, membranous, velvet or twisted, sometimes hairy, green or colored, persistent and inferior. So here, perianth is actually when calyx and corolla they are fused, that is called perianth. Generally, in case of other angiosperms, they have four different type of whorls of flower. All you know that is calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. But sometimes calyx, corolla, they are fused. They are not differentiated. They are undifferentiated. Calyx, corolla look same. At that time, it is called as perianth. Okay, and that term is called perianth leaves. And unit member of perianth is called as tepals. Okay, not sepal, not petal. That is called tepal. So 5 tepals are there. They may be free or united, sometimes 2 or 3. Okay, dry membranous, velvet or twisted estivation they have, and sometimes they are hairy, green or colored, and persistent inferior. Okay, that means they remain along with the flower after the formation of fruit. Okay, so that is called persistent. Then here you can see the in diagram the Amaranthus reflexus plant is there. Here you can see the inflorescence. Again, different parts are there. Amaranthus, here is the male flower. You can see the androecium. Female flower, here you can see gynoecium. And this is the VS of flower. Then how is the carpel? This is the floral formula for that. Male and female flower, they have different floral formula. Okay, so how androecium they are? Stamens, they are 5 or 3, free or united. Staminodes sometimes present. Introse dithecous or monothecous. In Acheranthus, 5 fimbricated scales alternate with 5 fertile stamens. Sometimes they are staminodes, they are present over here. Stamens, they are reproductive, male reproductive part of the flower. But if staminodes they are present, they are not fertile in nature. That means they are sterile. Then gynoecium. Gynoecium is bicarpellary or tricarpellary. That means 2 carpels are there or 3 carpels are there. Syncarpus, ovary superior, unilocular. Usually one campylotropous ovule is there, basal placentation is there. Style short or filiform, stigma 2 or 3. Again, how is the fruit? Dry one-seeded achene or several-seeded capsule or 1 to several-seeded berry. So fruit, they may be one-seeded, they may be two-seeded like capsule, or they may be several-seeded berry fruit. Seed, they are endospermic with polished testa, kidney-shaped embryo curve. For example, Rajgira you have seen. So Rajgira is the best example for this. Okay, so seed, they are endospermic, that is they are full of endosperm, that is nutrition, nutrient containing fruit, endospermic fruit. Then pollination, mostly anemophilous and in some plant entomophilous pollination. Actually the plants, they are very attractive. You can see in this slide red amarantha is there, Amaranthus spinosus is there. So again the plant we call is Rajgira is there. So they are very attractive color, they have pinkish red color. Okay, actually they are the members of Caryophyllus, and the members of Caryophyllus, the plants comes under Caryophyllus, they have red and pink color. Okay, pigments are there, beta cyanine pigments are there, so that they have the red and pink color, and they are full of antioxidants. So so the plants, they looks very attractive, and for pollination it helps the color of the plant. So the plant pollination, it may be of entomophilous type or anemophilous type. Okay, that means you can say with the help of insects the pollination occurs, because due to its color activity the plant get attracted towards it. Again, floral formula is there. Flower is actinomorphic, unisexual or bisexual. 3 to 5 perianth leaves are there. Again, androecium 5, gynoecium 2 or 3. This is the floral diagram for Amaranthus. This family, it has economic importance of Amaranthaceae. The Amaranthaceae is of little economic importance, but very important, very nutritious family. Food: seeds of Amaranthus caudatus, that is Rajgira, are edible. Amaranthus crenitensis and Amaranthus frumenteca are raised as cereals by primitive tribes in tropical Asia. And the leaves of Amaranthus viridis, spinosus, and Amaranthus tricolor are also used as a vegetable. They are very healthy vegetables, wild vegetables are those. Then medicinally, Acharanthus aspera, we call it as aghada, is a diuretic and purgative decoction of Aurea tomentosa. It is used to remove swellings. The stem and leaves of Alteranthera are used in snakebite. The flowers and seeds of Digera muricata are given for urinary discharges. So these are some medicinal importance of the plant, belongs to this family. Dyes: leaves of Busia yield a black dye. The fruit juice of Diringia is a substitute for red ink. So again, weeds: some green are weeds, example Amaranthus, Celosia, Digeria, Chiranthus, etc. Then ornamental: Celosia cristata, it looks very beautiful, velvet flowers it has. Then Gomphrena globosa, they are cultivated in gardens. So the plant is very much important economically. There are some primitive characters of the plant, that plants under shrubs or shrubs. Then leaves simple and alternate, flowers actinomorphic, hypogynous, hermaphrodite, anthers dithecous, seeds endospermic. These are the some primitive characters of the family. Okay, so with this we have seen the many morphological and floral characters of the family Amaranthaceae. With that we have seen the economic importance of the family. Okay, so this much is sufficient for today. Thank you.